Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Get all your Zwift data flowing directly into TrainingPeaks for 2025 with this easy guide. You can effortlessly sync your workouts and track your progress in one place. Imagine seeing your Zwift rides, runs, and structured training sessions automatically pop up in your detailed calendar. This connection unlocks a new level of analysis and helps you achieve your fitness goals more effectively and with greater insight. Before we dive in, make sure you have active accounts for both Zwift and TrainingPeaks. Having the Zwift Companion app installed on your phone is also super helpful for managing your settings. Just double-check that you remember your login details for both platforms, as you'll need them during the connection process. It ensures a smooth and quick setup for everyone. First, open the Zwift application on your computer, tablet, or smart device. Once loaded, click on your profile picture or the settings gear icon to access your personal dashboard. From there, you'll need to look for a clear option labeled Connections or sometimes Linked Accounts. This section is where all your integrations are managed, preparing for the next step. Next, within the Connections section, locate and select TrainingPeaks from the list of third-party services. You'll then be prompted to securely enter your TrainingPeaks username and password. After successful login, a crucial step is to grant Zwift permission to access your activity data. This allows for the automatic two-way synchronization, ensuring your efforts are always captured. Once you have completed these steps, take a moment to verify that the connection appears active in both your Zwift profile and your TrainingPeaks settings. From this point forward, all your Zwift activities will automatically sync, appearing in your TrainingPeaks calendar within moments of completion. Now, you can consistently review your structured workouts, track your progress, and analyze your performance with comprehensive data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.